Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video I'm going to be going over basically everything in Modify. So we'll just see how it goes, okay? I'm going to start with the cube. I have no idea what I'm going to design yet. So starting with a box. Alright, and what am I going to do? So I'll do it one at a time. Alright, so press pull, this one's easy. So I clicked press pull, grab a face, and drag it. There we go. So that was press pull. What's next? Tweak. Okay, so I will tweak one of these side faces. So I'll grab the face to tweak and I can pull it out a bit and I will rotate it like that. Alright, so we've used two of them so far. Modify, split face. Okay, so for this one I need to make a sketch. I'll do a polyline sketch. On this face I'll do just a straight across thing there. Alright, check that. And then I'll try another because I don't know if this is going to work. I'll do a spline and I will start drawing here and do that. I have no idea if it's going to work. So I'll do the two different splits because I've never tried a curvy thing. Split face. Okay, faces to split. That probably means this. Splitting entity. Oh, come on. Is it not going to let me choose a curve? All right, this is not particularly powerful software. All right, so what I'm going to do is instead I'll make a box, put it there, and I'm going to smart scale it so that it goes... Tell you what, I won't. I'll see if this works. I'll actually just move it back over here. Do this, do that, delete this, try it again. Split face, this is the face, and then for splitting entity, try this, enter, invalid, of course. So now I'm going to try moving this, actually I'm going to smart scale, and I'm going to do this so that it fully intersects the face all the way across. Modify, split face, face this, splitting entity, this, enter. Now can I delete this? Alright, so we've got two faces here. Now for this one's a little more complicated, but I think I can do it. So I'm going to add a line to this from here to here. Check that off. Now I've got a full profile which I can extrude this way, and I want to just make a new solid. I'm also, to be safe, I'm going to press pull this face. There we go. Press, I did tweak, but that'll still work. Okay, so now this face fully intersects this face. Split this one by this curvy thing, enter. No. I need to split and I need to use this and then choose the splitting entity like that. Delete this. Cool, so we've got a curved one. Okay, all right, what have we got next? Fillet. Okay, fillet is a relatively easy one. I'm going to grab fillet, say 1 millimeter radius, and then I'm going to rotate over here, pick the edge, and I'll go a little bigger. There we go. That's a fillet. Okay, and now I'm going to go modify. All right, we're up to chamfer. It's not very powerful in this software, but it only does 45-degree chamfers. We'll do, actually, I'll do this one, and it should wrap the whole way around, if it's smart enough, and it is. So see how it did a chamfer? A chamfer is like a 45-degree cut, and it should generally be smart enough to go around the tangent, which it is, so that's good. Split solid. Okay, so again, I'm going to use a box here. In other CAD software, there would be stuff like planes and several different better ways to do things, but you get what you pay for. This is free software. Split solid. The body that I want to split is this one, and the splitting entity is this face. Delete this, and now I can theoretically move these around as separate parts, and it worked. Finally, we will go into the modify shell command, and I'm going to make things 1 millimeter thick. Click on this face, hit enter, and we've got a hollowed out shape. So finally, we've got the split face, and we haven't done anything with it. So what I'm going to do is see what we can do with a split face. I'm going to grab the face and try tweak. I don't know if it's going to work. So that wasn't happy. Whoa, holy cow. So it's letting me do some stuff. That's nuts. Okay. What about, well, this wouldn't do anything, right? Wow, that does something. So yeah, you can really get crazy with things, and you split this face. All right. Here's another split face, and it's got a curvy edge. So let's see what happens here. Where's tweak? I'm going to click the solid. I'm going to click the face. Tweak. Let's see what it's going to let me do. I'm going to try rotating it this way. No. I'm going to try rotating it this way. No. All right, let's see what I can do. It's harder when it's got a curved face on it. Tweak. Can I pull it? Apparently not. Can I rotate it this way? Nope. I don't think I can do much with that one. But we have, at this point, used all of the modify commands. There is press pull, which is just going to move a face up and down. There is tweak, which can sit there and rotate faces and do all kinds of goofiness. There is split faces, which can allow you to split faces. That allowed us to do all this. I don't really know what else you would do it for. Let's see. You could plop in a block, pop another block, smart scale this, and this ought to work. Now I'm going to split face. Which face? This face with this splitting entity. Delete that, please. Delete. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to select the body, select the new face because there's two up here. I'm going to tweak. And there you go. Check that out. So that's actually kind of a way to add a chamfer. This is almost like a chamfer here on this side. So there is a lot of stuff that you can do with the modify commands. Press pull, tweak, split face, fillet, chamfer, split solid, and shell. So this is Keith from Kinvert. We went over the modify commands. Hope this was helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.